No. He definitely didn't know how to lift his bike.
We're gonna help him, Daddy?
Yes, we're gonna help him. He has a thing that's bent and they have to go back to St. Louis, which is a far ride. So I'm gonna adjust his thing real fast. Hopefully I have the right size tool. It's all diesel, buddy.